Shosho bafowethu angithi nalazi udaba bafowethu kuseseyiso lesikhathi lesi after match bafowethu lana njengoba nibona bafowethu ukuthi hayi bafowethu sinyama ngempani esingamagebhule esegebhule umhlaba zawubhekisa phezulu naphansi Bhuti Omdala kunjani
Ngiyaphila njani mfowethu
hayi Bhuti Omdala ngiyaphila hayi Bhuti Omdala iyabonakala ukuthi impela injabulo ibhalwe emehlweni namhlanje
true
Bhuti Omdala first thing first ngicela ukuthi mhlawumbe mawungasichazela ukuthi uzizwa kanjani ngendlela ibhakaniya edlale ngayo namhlanje
ngihappy bafowethu ngijabulile I must say wonke umuntu bekathukile it was a neutral game coming from two defeats Pirates idliwe Sundowns yadliwa iCarries kuNedbank we are out the Chiefs nayo beyibuya ukudliwa 2 times so akekho umuntu bekazo too sure so today ngijabulile mfowethu ngijabulile to collect 3 maximum points 3 goals 3 points finile so ngijabulile bafowethu ngijabulile
Bhuti Omdala mhlawumbe maybe masingakhuluma maybe la cause ama-fan awe-Chiefs mangabuza bathi hayi iPirates idayisele le game le ibingeke ize iwin wena Bhuti Omdala wena uwe kuthini kuwe kanjani
no there's no such mawungabheka kulokho i-Chiefs nayo we still left I think 12-13 games depending ukuthi udlala amagame angaki they still stand a better chance ukuthatha ileague abasidayiselanga ukuthi abaningi njengoba ngisho sonke besithukile Chiefs Pirates bebazi ukuthi kunzima ukushaya iPirates as much as nathi sazi ukuthi given history kunzima ukushaya iChiefs so abasidayiselanga beba-attack attack ubonile and bebafuna nale penalty le bengekho first half uhoto lapha ya so ayikho lento ukuthi basidayiselile so we are happy and yabona ukuthi neutral bekuthi because neutral one of the game is a global game sihlala sonke lana wherever sepub stadium asilwi just break so iPirates ineleyo right ama breaking last to the opportunity ukuthi ijabule ukuthi si collective 3 points
asithi le interview lena mhlawumbe kuyenzeka one of ama players awe Pirates ayayibukela eyiphi mhlawumbe imessage ongayidlulisela bona
no to each and every player bonke I wouldn't wanna single out any player engithandayo to they must work as a unit as a team sizowina as a team sikhathele dominance yePirates I would like to believe ukuthi wonke umuntu la dominance yeSundowns I mean siyazi Sundowns izothatha league so abadlala as unit yes sohlezi sikhuluma as ama fans because mawungangena ngeground uNkulunkulu nokubheshi coach ukuthi lo ungenile wa mixed nanani but work ethics as your players yabona ose groundini wazi ubunzima bokudlala abadlala ezi team bangapheli isamandla njengekhosi siyasitshotsha le slogan sabo Pirates ayiphela amandla
nazo ke bafowethu bathi ibhakabhaka liphela amandla Bhuti Omdala before ngikudedele
sure
now umbuzo wokugcina Bhuti Omdala
sure
isikhala sakhe siyayibhila lapha uyasibona ukuthi amajida angazama ukuthi asivale cause like sibonile ukuthi kasona nge-half time khona kade bekhala bethe ewusibisi madoda uzosika
no I wouldn't want to say isikhala sikhona because remember uTLB simthathe from iDTC simdevelopile so I would like to think ukuthi team bengajustanga yabona so it's more of coaching the timing ngoba ama coach baya coacha kusala ama players ukuthi kube ne timing ukuthi when to shy tackle when to ukuthi press when to guide the player so yes must try Sundowns ama fans wethu babonile ukuthi kubi TLB beyikhona but rest assured game plan or the best way to defend is to attack today when we best attack so must attack ube less exposed to space when udlalile uzophuma ngeinshot so yes or no guy too asikho riskona ispace at TLB but laba bakhona bo CM our whole defense bomela bajele together ba continue umsebenzi remember mfethu akuqala manje kuba nama players are best bayabakhona bahambe so there's no one bigger than the club yes ubeka grand umbekezeli mbokazi but iPirates yaqhubeka ngokabili yabona so laba bakhona akuqhubeka umsebenzi
Bhuti Omdala asikubongele kakhulu Bhuti Omdala
asho mfowethu
hayi angeke ngithi ngikufisela inhlanhla ke mina ngisandawana mina nami ngiyayifuna lento le
no we are challenging you this time because remember by this time second leg we lead ngama 6-7 points and then we are off sathi isikhukhune mfethu uzodlala idraw I don't see you scoring 3 goals go Sikhukhune tomorrow so it's a draw so leading at 2 points and then on we move forward
hayi sesizobona khona kodwa nawe uyazi ukuthi lo PSL bathi owe Pretoria Soccer League uyayithola
sathi ngiyasaba mfethu ke so wena gcine
Bhuti Omdala wasibonge kakhulu